Hello. So I recently decided to get an iPad Pro and the keyboard thing. Honestly, because I wanted something portable and stuff like that. But anyway, here is the unboxing. I might review it. I might not. I don't know. And I keep looking that way, but I keep realizing the camera's that way. But anyway, enjoy. Alright, so this is a amateur unboxing of the iPad Magic keyboard. Yeah, super excited. Boom. Here's the back. I mean, it's a box. I don't know. So, I actually got this keyboard before the iPad Pro. I ordered them at the same time, but for some reason, this arrived in one day, and the iPad arrived in, like, more than one day, like 2 days. So, I've been really anxious to use it. Alright, here's the... Ta-da! Oh my god! Woohoo! So, I'm the guy that kind of always never gets new technology when it comes to computers and stuff like that. At least not when they're like hot, when they're like brand new, like when they're like the latest model. So when I do, I'm like, holy crap. I feel like bougie and stuff. Oh, that's nice. Wow, that's really cool. So, yeah, comes with this little plastic. Rest of the box is empty, as you can see. Yeah. And here it is. So, ooh, that is nice. So from what I've heard from other professional unboxers, this thing is magnetic. Oh, and in this little plastic thing came, or cardboard came in the middle. This thing came right in there. That's cool. It says designed by Apple in California. So it's I don't know, progressive. All right, let's see here. Have some manuals. Says Magic Keyboard. Some instructions. How to use it. That's cool. Some more instructions, just in case you don't know how to do the stuff in multiple languages. So that's nice. Here's the actual keyboard. Look at that. Oh, that's so smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know if you can see. It's a lot smaller. Feels great. Yeah. There it is. It has the little Apple stamp there. I'm just gonna close this down real fast. Oh, and yeah, so that's basically it. I might do a review later, but that's the unboxing. Thank y'all. All right, so the iPad Pro arrived. Gonna open it up. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a little, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a little thingy there. You can just pull. Oh, what? And that's class. That's classy. That's bougie. Does anybody even use that term anymore? Bougie? I feel like I'm stuck in 2015. Dang. Empty box. This is cool. Look at that. It's got like a little thing for God, that's so... Man, you can say whatever you want about Apple. They know how to put a package together. Look at that. That's cool. All right, here we go. God dang it. I have so much trouble unboxing stuff. Right, moment of truth. Ta-da! Oh, it's square! My dog is looking at me. So it's got like a little thingy here that you pull up. Oh my god, it comes out! Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. In here, you have some more. What? Power brick. That's cool. I thought they weren't gonna package power bricks anymore. And it's got a cable. You know, if I was more tech savvy, I could tell you the name of these connections. But for now, I'm gonna call it A and B. Connection A, connection B. I think that's it. Yeah, there's no way there's anything else. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Stickers, that's cool. Not one, but two. More instructions. Oh, that's cool. It's got like an actual instructions. That's cool. I don't know how to use it. Yeah, that's awesome. That's it. Oh wait, no, you probably wanna you probably wanna see this. That's really cool. Alright, I'm gonna peel the sticker. 1, 2, and ooh, that's class. Oh, that's so nice. It's so shiny. Look at that. That's all, y'all. Cool. Ta-da.